Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about Kisho inu token, guys. Guys, in this video, I'm talking about the currently price update of Kisho inu, and absolutely we will shortly predicated Kisho inu that what will be the next move of Kisho is in the future. The responsibilities that the price of Kisho inu will pump or dump. So let's start the video. But guys, if you are new, if you don't subscribe our channel, so kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos. And this time, guys, as you can see here, the latest price of Kisho in a token in the market 0.0004 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of Kisho in a token. In other side, if you talk about the changes update of Kisho, so only last 1 hour update of Kisho and was a negative. Sorry, there was no change. This is negative, only pumping down. Absolutely, it is a last of month, so it is only pumping down. That's why I recommend, I suggest for all of you that it's only and only holding tab. Absolutely, if you hold, so you get huge profit, guys. It's a huge profit opportunity for all. And you know what? Never miss this opportunity, especially short time investor. The price of Kisho in is very low, guys. Buy now more in more Kisho in just for 7 days, for 6 7 days. Hope in the last 7 days, 6 7 days, you found an unbelievable profit, guys. And if you talk about the prediction of Kisho, so I also already predicated in Kisho in my previous videos that in the last week of October the price will pump. So it is the last week, and you can see here Kisho changes is positive. So that's clear for all of you that it's holding time, it's profit time, it's buying time. Anyways, guys, I recommend holding, but remember, if you want to buy, sell, or hold any crypto, any coin, so please do your own research. That's good for all of you. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.